Welcome to Sydney, Australia.
Welcome here at Sydney, Australia.
Yes. Meron pa dito yung Dragon Ball, Piccolo. Lovely. One more. One, two, three, and 1, 2, 3, and Hello. Hello, Inay. Nandito ho kami ngayon sa Australia. Ay, walang kangaroo.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Hey, doggy. Hey. Hey. Oops. Easy. Aww. What?
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Ha? Oh, video pa lang. Yan ang mga idol, oh. Pare, shit, itong mga idol ko talaga.
Mananawa kayo sa mga opera. Okay. Oh, tawa.
Sige, sige.
Ingat.
Kabayan! Hi, te!
Singapore. Pa-picture kami ni Chad sa galang printing.
Yes.
Tara, lahat tayo.
Oh, picture tayo.
Kita si tita, dito si tita sa lagi sa.
Ayun.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Putay, akong kumuha ng okay, yan. 1, 2, 3, and... Isa pa.
Singing dyan.
1, 2, 3, and...
Controversy!
Nice!
losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's hard.
Ito, pauwi na tong bunso ko na to eh. Mayaman na kasi.
Hindi ako mayaman, mahirap lang ako. See you soon.
See you. See you saan? Ambition?
Ayoko sa ambition.
Saan mo gusto?
Gusto ko ambience pa niya.
Wow. Talaga napapaghalata ang mapepera kasi... sige. Kasi convert ka ng convert. Walang convert.
Kino-convert ko ito siyempre para makatipid.
Para ba yan sa ating mga chicks doon?
Ay,
Memories tayo. Welcome to... Saan nga tayo? Canada?
Sydney.
Sydney pala. Sydney. Aray talaga. Hey! Yes! You have work? Enjoy.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we own. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you're
Nakatipid tayo.
gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but when may I be?
Yan talaga tunay na Korean.
안녕하세요.
Ano masaya?
괜찮아.
Paano sabihin sa Korea yung ano, kain kayo?
안붓 sa emo.
Ha? Yan tunay. Oh, dali mami oh. Dali.
Hindi lang po.
Kukuha ka din ha pagka gusto mo. Patikim natin ang mga tunay. Oh.
괜찮아.
Tagal.
Init eh.
Tunay. Oh. Tunay na. Ano masaya? Kaya nahawa na ako sa'yo. Titikman natin kung tunay. Tikman muna natin ang sausage. Tikman natin ang noodles, guys. Tunay. Sarap. Hindi napigilan.
Just been on the boat back to Language all the way up the beach. How was it? It was very, very good. I'll show you a picture. There was a trawler.
Ang Vespa niya kasi.
We've been on a motorbike. Hello.
Cigarettes, looking through long lights of silhouettes. All I see is only people go to lose. Oh, the city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me and leave me alone. The city's got me till the mornings when my head didn't wake. Tears and perfume all for me. I remember mornings when my head didn't.
Aba, hindi ko alam. Ayun.
Alright guys, it's 6:25 ng hapon. Buti nakaabot pa ako, may araw pa. Ayun yung famous bridge dito sa Sydney, Australia. Di pa tayo sa kabila. Alright, buti nakaabot pa tayo guys. Dito pala yung the best spot. Oh ha, Sydney. So, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung famous na Opera House. Ano din to eh, nadun din sa pera ng Australian dollar. Oh yeah, Sydney, Australia, Opera House. So, dito ko natatapusin tong vlog. Bukas, one day CD kami, and then sa Melbourne. See you Melbourne. See you Melbourne. Melbourne. See you Melbourne, Australia. Alright. Please like and subscribe, comment and share. At meron pa akong 20 minutes. See you guys. Bye. Bye-bye.